I am going to help guide you to log into your customer portal, view your account balance, and either make a manual payment or set up autopay. Type in the web address aspenlawn.com. Click on the Customer Portal button. Now you can log into your customer portal. To log into your customer portal, enter your email address, password, then click the Login button. You can see your account balance. To pay the account balance, click the Pay Balance button. Scroll down to the Billing and Account Information section. Select the Payment Method drop-down menu icon. You can make a payment with a credit or debit card, or ACH. ACH is your bank account. Enter your preferred payment method information, then click the Process button. The payment is now complete. You will receive a payment confirmation email. If you do not see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam folder. Instead of making a payment manually each month, you can set up autopay. To set your account up on autopay, click on the little user avatar image, then click on the autopay management menu item. This brings you to the autopay management screen. Click on the Create Autopay Profile button. Select your method of payment, fill out the required payment information, and then click the Process button. Your autopay profile is now set up. No more worrying about missing a payment.